Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain to you about Bloom taxonomy the cognitive level, especially about the example of taxonomy cognitive level. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Adek Tiwi Wucika. I'm from Mathematics Education, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. In the cognitive domain, there are 6 levels of thinking process, starting from the lowest level to the highest level, and popular with the term C1 until C6, namely knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis, and the last is evaluation. We next to the first question. The question is, mention the formula of Pythagoras. What do you think about the following questions? Which level category does this question fall into? In these problems, students are asked to recall the formula from Pythagoras based on the knowledge possessed by previous students. That this question falls into category C1. Okay, we next to the next question. Take a look at the second question. The question is, give a real example of statistic. In this second problem, students are asked to understand the lesson without having to be associated with other lessons. Students are asked to understand how to use statistic lessons in their lives. So that way, the second question is categorized into level C2. Alright, we next to the next question. You can see the question. So, what do you think about this? Which category does this third question fall into? The question is, Windri has money of 20,000 rupiah. The price of orange is 5 for 1 kilogram. And the grape are 14,000 for 1 kilogram. If Windri wants to give 2 kilogram of orange and a half of 1 kilogram of grapes, how much money does Windri have to pay? In this problem, students must have the ability to apply the method in finding how much Windri has to pay to buy what she wants. Here, students apply the material about substitution that has been studied previously. So, we can conclude that this third question fall into category C3. We go to next question. You can see the triangle, right? The question is, find the area of the triangle above. The triangle given in the figure has to known 2 angles and 1 side. That way, students can find the measure of another angle by subtracting 180 degrees from the number of known angles. That way, students can determine the area of triangle using the sine rule. It is clear in this question. Students must be able to analyze what is known in the problem and what must be done to find out from the problem. Are also able to separate information into its constituent elements so that ideas can be known more clearly. So, for this question, it is included in the C4 level category. go to the next question. The question is, it is known that cylinder A has a volume of 300 centimeters cubic and a height of 3 centimeters. Also, cylinder B with a surface area of 100 centimeters centimeters and a radius of 2 centimeters. Determine if cylinder A and cylinder B are the same size cylinder. Explain your answer. A problem requires a decision. Decisions are made after thorough analysis. To answer the question above, it is necessary to know whether cylinders A and B have the same radius and height. Therefore, it is necessary to find the radius of tube A and the height of tube B so that the two tubes can be compared in size. Because of that, the question falls into category C5. We go to the next question. This is the last question. The question is, I made some triangles using matchstick. I used 3 matches to make 1 triangle, 5 to make 2 triangles, and 7 to make 3 triangles. If I continued in this way, please make a formula to determine how many matches are needed for more triangles. In this last problem, students are asked to evaluate a method to determine the number of matches needed to construct more triangles. Students must determine what formula can be used to find the number of matches needed. So, this question is included in the category of C6. I hope you can understand it. Thank you for watching this video. I apologize if there are any mistakes, and see you. Bye bye.